Karma and Chirja or Pershe. So please give a round of applause for the two sisters. That was actually really nice. That will be followed by Ajapasang, who will give us another perche. Round of applause while I set this up. Thank you. Thank you, Ajapasang. She is one of the people that I watch closely every time I do go to Gorse at Tank, so she does not miss a step. Okay, after Ajapasang, we have two songs by Jojo Punsok, or you'll be performing two songs. Our next performance is Jo Punsok now with two songs.
부모가와기 졸업 취재 가족의 미모들한테 정말 삼재듯이 얘기 제스미시 춘두시 당초 인지시 가서 자가시지 हमारी दीवानी की मेरी हमारी हमारी मेरी कि मारेगी ज्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराजगी तेरी क्यों इतना हुआ है तू खफा
है जिद किसी बात की तेरी कि हारेगी ज्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराजगी तेरी जान सार है जान सार तेरे प्यार पे मेरे यार जान सार है दुनिया ज़माने से रिश्ते मिठाई है तुझसे ही यारी है हमारी एक बार तो आ मैंने निभाया है करके दिखाया है तेरी बारी एक बारी तू ही प्यार निभा तू ही प्यार निभाओ यारा तेरे बेरुखी से है बरी उम्र इंतजार की मेरी के मारेगी ज्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराजगी तेरी जान सारी है जान खफा है जिंदगी सी बात की मेरी कि मरेगी ज्यादा मुझे मौत से नाराजगी तेरी जान सारी है जान सार तेरे प्यार पे मेरे यार जान सारी है जान सार तेरे प्यार पे मेरे यार जान सारी है तुझे ना
Okay, we would now like to invite Thimba Jang onto the stage for a performance.
Tadi dia pemungut Nawang Chokyi lagi melap tembege ini dia kadang gitu tak nyebu yang na sampai nyeras sampai jadi macam baca sana. 토잖아. 인도에 나간 정말 문주 공로 구주 피워라. 토잖아.
Another round of applause for Tembajang. Thank you so much. And now for our next performance, which is a surprise for Nawang Chokyi by her friends, Aja Nima and Aja Dashi. So I'll disconnect.
세동기 시에래 인상 냠도 당신은 냠도 다루시
니신 기계차 길라시 그 삼촌 길잠달레드 카레드 김민도 니신 기계차 길라시 그 삼촌 길잠달레드 카레드 김민도 Keradam laledu Khanidu kimitu
बोले
तेरी आंखों के मतवाले काजल को मेरा सलाम जुल्फों के काले काले बादल को मेरा सलाम हो तेरी आंखों के मतवाले काजल को मेरा सलाम जुल्फों के काले काले बादल को मेरा सलाम घायल कर दे मुझे यार तेरी पायल की झनकार सोनी सोनी तेरी सोनी हर अदा को सलाम सलाम इश्क 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 सलाम इश्क सलाम इश्क 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 सलाम इश्क सलाम इश्क सलाम सलाम इश्क सलाम सलाम इश्क सलाम सलाम इश्क सलाम
Aja gives a speech. 1 minute, please.
Nam shula ta di nyang o me kusa mo na la she pi nyang tan ding I so yu ko oh yeah nyam zong la ni tu su sang bo to la dong ba ne la ya la ni nyam do zong be
Good evening. I want to take a moment and pause and take in all of this positivity with a little prayer. So, Kangri rawe kowe shinkamso, penda dewa male chongwe ne, chere siwa tenzi gyatsohi, shabe site partu tengyo chi. Semje tamje dewa tang, dewe gyu tang, dembar gyuchi. Semje tamje dungye tang dungye gi gyu tang debar gyuchi. Semje tamje dungye mepe dewa ta migewa gyuchi. Semje tamje ngiri chadang da dewe tangyom la nebar gyuchi. I want to start off by saying that I feel incredibly grateful to be surrounded by so many of the people that helped shape me into the person I am today. You guys all may think that today the celebration is about me, but truly I wanted to have this gathering with the intention of holding space to give back and feel gratitude for the friendships and the community that gave me a lot of motivation to be inspired, that's given me a lot of love and strength to persevere and continue on through my academic journey. So I feel extremely grateful to be here with you all. And especially, I would like to give out some notable shout outs. Firstly, I would like to thank all of my friends, especially Kim and Mitch. Are they still here? They outside? Oh. No, it's okay, it's okay. Hello, Kim? Yeah, that's fine. Anyways, Kim and Mitch, they were here earlier with the baby. I just wanted to give them a shout out for all of their kindness and generosity. And then my friend Lolo, that's my friend Lolo, she's my bestie from high school. I just want to deeply thank you, Lolo, for being such an emotional support throughout my journey to medical school. A lot of the times being pre-med, it could be quite isolating and it is a very challenging path, and there were a lot of moments when I didn't believe in myself, but my friend Lolo, she was always believing in me. She would give me those one-liner quotes like, keep on swimming, just keep on swimming. And it really helped me, keep going on the path and never giving up. So thank you so much, love you. And then, Kim is there. Kim, I just thanked you and Mitch for your love and generosity. Love you, girl. And then I really want to thank my lovely friends, Chudeng, Dejin Chu, Dashi, Pulamu and Yima for all the sunshine and laughter that you guys have brought into my life. We've had countless laughing moments. I feel like my life would be so dull without you guys, and you guys enrich and make my life so colorful. And the surprise, I was quite surprised. I know it took a lot out of you guys to be up there on stage and perform for me. I feel so loved, so thank you guys. And then I would like to thank, yes, clap, 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 clap. I would also like to thank all of my friends' family who've always welcomed me into their homes. Is Trina still here? Oh, okay. So I want to thank Trina, who is my friend Lauren's mother. She's always radiated so much warmth and given me the best advice, and just having her presence was very meaningful. And then I would like to thank specifically Aja Digi and Jo Jigme for all of their support throughout my youth, especially. I always remember nyamanga chunjugodu nga teng la shabratang gora chub nge chuba nge supula yakuchi ding mariora and takpa aji digi pingab kar nge chuba goni yo ya ma thensar ya goni yo in the chunju moments I hold very deeply in my heart aji digi. So I want to really thank you and all the support, driving us here, driving us there to get us all the outfits we need. I think having adults like you really help shape adults into better people. So thank you. And then Jo Jigme for all your cookouts, all the kala that you prepare, and always caring about us having our first plate, second plate, third plates. Very generous with the food. Thank you so much, Jo Jigme. And then I would like to thank my family. Ajapigi. Is Ajapigi here? Ajapigi's here. And then my little cute cousins, Pije and Datse, and my two Ashangs who unfortunately couldn't be here today. I want to thank them for their unwavering love and support wherever they are. It goes a long ways for me. And then I would like to thank my sister Kunsel, who was the MC today. Hey! Good job, girl. This is her first time. You did great. And my brother Tukten, who's also not here today. You guys always inspire me to be more patient, to have a bigger heart and be more loving. And I hope I could make you guys a proud sister and bring so much joy and happiness into your lives. I hope I could do that. And then I would like to thank my Bobo and Momo, who are also not here today. Those are my grandparents. Their unconditional love and affection that they've given me throughout my life has really driven me to live life with integrity and to become a good human being. And their love and presence is always close to my heart. And so shout out to them. And then lastly, I would like to thank my parents, Bala and Amma. Amma's right there. I don't know where Bala is. I want to thank you guys. I feel extremely grateful to have parents who live a very truthful, honest life. You guys have shown me how important it is to care for others, and you've shown me how to change my life to live more intentionally so that I can bring more peace and love into the world and more understanding into the world. And I know that there have been countless times you guys have really poured into my future, and I really truly wouldn't be here without Bala and Amma's support, and I hope I can continue to make you guys proud. So thank you so much. Lastly, I would like to thank all of my friends, my parents' friends who have made this event possible today. I think you guys are true embodiments of friendship. This wouldn't have been possible. We literally put all this together in 2 hours because of you guys. And all of the performers that came, Jo Pinzo, Ajapasa, all my friends, Jo Tempajaya, and Chejalhamu and Kama. You guys are the best. You guys rock. Thank you so much. Yes. Tamadela nga kashino lana dela gaunyo mangpochik pesha so rangju changmala ngara thoni ning thapane thojinang shuis ani ngala yanda lobjo chie kugab yaku inde rayu 아니 혼디 나라 파마다 나는 수 지조다 아니 겨울무치 그 투제 까징 시니 라레 삼기도 아니 나라 가투도 칼리갸니 롭종 장아 나라 베준 체인스 가지나다 나라 뮤지 카르스나 나라 주 지조라 파샵주 쉬야지 오늘 나라 뮤지스 아니 the the dupa melam yes, and to that I would like to raise a toast. I would like to raise this toast to Peba Tibetan excellence, to perseverance, to love, and to friendship. Thank you guys. Cheers. 자시들의 상말로 가가 쪼쪼 나와 레와예스
무엇이 다게 뒤로走허유마지 카카소소 인경 생을 쇠남사배 사자 뒤로 走
My God! Woo! Wala, did you know? Oh my God, we have our winner, Pema Alatsang! Good job, girl! I knew you could do my money was on you. Okay, good job, Pema, and thank you for everyone who participated. You guys are all winners for participating. So now we're gonna have Gorshe. So everybody please join for our Tibetan circle dance.
shara pa chara devi tina yo ye chong chi song ti mi ka ta yo la se so ya ne pa di chi gu di kha mi cho na yo la se so cho pa ga de yo pe go ka tin de re pe yo se so ya ne pa di chi gu di kha mi cho na